Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube videos, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share. You understand? So let me just go straight to the point. What we have today, I'm going to show you how you can make money online, and as well how you can buy data at cheap rates. Both of them are what I'm going to hit today for you. You understand? So I'm talking about this site called Souzdataservice. You understand? Just click on the link in the description menu and create an account. Creating an account here is totally free. You understand? You can click on create account as you're seeing here. Click on create account and create account for yourself. To create account is free, but I have an account already, so I log into my account directly. You understand? So this is my account. Make sure you read this message whenever you open this site. This particular message that pops up here, make sure you read it every time, because once there is an update in the site or any problem is going on in the site, you'll be notified here immediately. Anytime. So before you make use of this site and buy data or time or anything for yourself, these are the things you have to do. Fund the account first. As you can see, mine I have it's something naira here. I've exhausted the one that I have this night for subscribing for myself and for other my customers as well. You understand? So I keep my money earnings in my bank account. So here you can subscribe, you can buy airtime, swap data for yourself, convert your airtime to cash. Maybe you mistakenly bought 10,000 naira instead of 1,000 naira airtime. You can still sell it here and make your money back. You can still pay your electric bills here, pay NEPA bills as well. That's it. You pay cable subscriptions, and you earn when you refer someone. So you earn by sharing this link. This link that you are seeing here. Click on that copy link. Once you copy the link, you share it to anyone that wants to register. And once the person registers, you earn 500 naira for each registration. You understand? Then this bulk message, you can earn money from it. Sell your bulk message. You can buy result pin checker here, as you're seeing it here, and you can check your profile when you click on my account and your referrals as well. You can check all of these things and make editing if you need. So you understand? So that's it. For instance, I'm going to show you open one or two so that you see what I'm talking about. Let's just go to buy data. Yeah, click on it. Then you select the network you want to buy data for, either MTN, Airtel, Glo or 9 Mobile. So I want to check that of MTN first. Then you click on confirm network, you select MTN. We have two options here: MTN SME, direct coupon, and MTN gifting. So all the prices are different. You understand? Let's just check one or two. MTN SME selling 1 gig or 225 naira and 500 MB 125 naira, but MTN gifting selling one at 10 gig or 1 gig 240 and 500 MB 135. So it's left for you to choose the one that you buy for yourself, and you input the number of the customer or your own cost number, and you input your PIN. So if you don't have PIN yet, don't bother yourself. Whenever you click on buy data as a newbie, you ask to create the PIN for yourself, and once you create the PIN, make sure you don't forget it, because once you forget it, you can't purchase again and you can't withdraw your money. That's just the simple thing. Make sure you put PIN, 5-digit PIN that you always remember. You understand? And remember not to use all those easy PIN like 1 2 3 4 5, because once your account gets hacked, your money will disappear immediately. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. See, make sure you read this message whenever you open this page, and you can add money to this your account, and it's totally free. When you create the account creating is free. Understand? You can add money here just by transferring to any of these both account numbers. Understand? Once you open, the account number will be given to you automatically, and when you transfer to them, it will reflect here. But if you want to transfer using your ATM, withdraw with your ATM number, ATM pin, you can click on add money and go through it. You understand? And once you make any transactions, it will appear in your transaction list. So this is your transaction list. Just click on this transaction and it will open your transaction list. You understand? So how do you make money from here? You make money by, as they're selling 1 gig here, 125, 225. You can sell 1 gig to people 350 or 300. That's how I sell mine. As you can see my logo, yeah, that's my own logo. That's how I sell mine. I added some money and I sell. That's my own gain. I have little gain of about 70 naira or 80. It's big money, of course, because when you have sell at least 1 or 2, you make 1 gig now for yourself. And I also sell almost every day because I've generated customers and people are buying from me. They've seen that I give them before they pay me even at times. You understand? So, but make sure you collect money before you give your customers what they need, because they might dupe you. You understand? In this current era. So that's how you can make money here, just by popping a little bit on what they are selling in this site and get paid for it. You understand? So, but you can still make money by referring others. That's how to do it. So let's just dive into the second site on how to make money with the second site as well, and you see the difference between that one and this one. But before we go, then make sure you don't click on this upgrade to top user in this particular site. Don't click on upgrade to top user, because whenever you do so, you get yourself banned from the site. You'll be asked to pay. Just don't mistakenly click on this upgrade to top user, because when you do that, you'll be suspended. And make sure you have the admin contact. This is where you can chat the admin. Click on this WhatsApp icon, get the admin, in touch with the admin, chat him up. He relates any issue to you. If you have any issue funding your wallet, he will still help you out. So that's the best thing with this one. Once you refer, you get 500 naira each referral. You understand? And you can use it and subscribe any other thing, both Go TV, cable subscription, and every other thing. Just make sure you follow the steps. Don't click on upgrade to top user. So let me show you the second one, which is called twidax, not Souzdata again. Let's dive into it. You can make money on twidax by just almost the same thing with Souzdataservice. Just click on found wallet and found your wallet as that of Souzdata. You click on buy data, you buy data for yourself as that of Souzdata. You click on refer. When you refer, you earn as same with Souzdata. You click on history, you check your history. Then you click on send money. That's one of the difference of this twidax. You can send money from twidax to another twidax account, and you can still withdraw money from twidax to your bank account directly, and you earn 4% commission whenever you purchase in twidax. You understand? But why am I not using twidax? I'm not using twidax because the price of their data is very high. You understand? Let's just check it out. For instance, let me click on buy data. I click on this. Let me buy MTN. You see how much they're selling. Oh, it is very high. They're selling 1 gig as 270 naira a gig. All of them are at 30 days. Both of them, that of Souzdata is 30 days, and it's 270 naira, which is very costly, I should say. So the difference between Souzdata and this one is that Souzdata won't give you 4% commission whenever you purchase. Souzdata will not do that, and Souzdata will not allow you to withdraw to your bank account directly, and so Souzdata will allow you to send to any of your Souzdata accounts again. But this is allowed on twidax. You understand? So you can choose for yourself which site to use, either twidax or Souzdata or any of them. You understand? So that's just the cool thing about this one, and this one doesn't have anything to restrict you for. You can even upgrade to top user here, all of them. You understand? So that's how it does. Everything is okay. You can chat, you can click on this WhatsApp group link here, banner here at the middle of the screen. This WhatsApp group, click on it, and immediately you will be redirected to the WhatsApp group, then where you receive updates. You understand? So everything is okay. No one is going to dupe you here. Your money is saved in the site. If any update is done, you'll be notified about that. You understand? So make sure you follow the guidelines. Don't click on upgrade to top user on Souzdata, because your account will get suspended immediately. You understand? So if you found this video useful, kindly subscribe. But if you are looking for a site where you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars or any content online, this is not for you. I suggest that you join affiliate marketing. You understand? you can join affiliate marketing, and this one can even generate much money to you depending on the customers that you have or the client that you have. You understand? If you're having people that purchase huge amount of data, maybe daily or weekly or monthly, yeah, then you can make money from them, add small commission, and earning that commission every time they purchase from you. And as well, continue sharing your banner or your post. As you can see my own banner, continue sharing it both on all your social media handles, and people you get notified, you get noticed, and people start purchasing from you. That's how you can get huge customers. So but remember, don't subscribe for anyone if the person hasn't paid because of duping or scamming, you understand? So if you found my video useful, please kindly hit the subscribe button and share, please share, make this video go viral, please. Bye.